Hey guys, for this video, we're going to check out the K4Tasche Vivid Special Edition. Let's go! Alright, so let's open this up. Now, let's first talk about the cowl. This is made from ABS material. And the color, this is a clear light gray. Alright, next move on to the chassis. This is a FMA chassis made from ABS material. And then the color, this is fluorescent pink. Okay, there you have it. It comes with the rear portion. And then let's talk about the rims. This is a medium size dish type. And then the color, this is fluorescent yellow. And let's check out the side. This is all narrow. Okay, and then next, let's talk about the tires. So this is a medium size hard low profile, and the color, it's rose pink. Okay, and then next, let's move on to the A parts or the internals. This is made from ABS material, and color, it's fluorescent green. Okay, so there's the motor catch, the skid bar, the battery cover, 30mm rollers, and some wheel bearings. Okay, and then this pack includes a 3-5-1 gear ratio and comes with the battery terminal, grease, screws, nuts, propeller shaft, and the wheel shaft. Okay, and then also it comes with the manual, of course, and last but not the least, the decals to make your car look awesome. We are inviting you to visit the Attic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and monthly tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.